Hello everyone, it's James here at Full Fat Motors. Today is a walk around video of an L405 for sale. This is a 4.4 SDV8 on a 63 plate in Loire Blue over Ivory interior. Let's have a look. This 63 plate 4.4 SDV8 has just 55,000 miles on the clock and a full history. Nonetheless, it's had a few catch-up bits at our in-house workshop, and that includes track control arms, a full drive oil service, so that's front diff, rear diff, transfer case, gearbox oil and filter. It's had both batteries replaced with Exceed AGM batteries. The wheels have been powder coated, so they have been up to AWB powder coating in Southam, and they've come back in light anthracite, which I think looks absolutely stunning in Loire Blue. It's on 4 good continental tyres and drives very, very nicely. It's just been for MOT and is nearly ready to go. For me, this is almost a perfect spec L405. For starters, it doesn't have a sunroof, so no drain issues to worry about. It's the perfect colour for me. I absolutely love Loire Blue with a light interior. And the thing that I really like about this particular vehicle is that it has the upgraded Meridian sound system. This sounds absolutely incredible. The infotainment system will connect to a Bluetooth phone, which is quite handy, so no need for an additional dongle. And when you're streaming your favourite songs via Spotify or whatever other streaming service, they do sound absolutely fantastic in that cabin. On the subject, let's have a look in the cabin. Now, one of the things that I find quite interesting, we'll just get it started up, is that lots of customers say to me, oh, I don't really fancy an L405 because I find it a little bit too complicated in the infotainment system. Well, I find it really interesting because the facelift L405 is even more complicated than the pre-facelift L405. And this actually seems really simple in comparison to that. Now, this one has got some really quite good features in that it has the 360 camera system, he says, hold on. Let me just try and get it up. Yeah, so it's got 360 camera system, and it also has a park assist, although that function isn't working at the moment, and it's going to a specialist shortly to have that resolved. So it is relatively simple compared to the facelift one. So you get your climate function by pressing climate. You've got knobs there to control fan and temperature, and then if you want to go into your seat setting, you press that button. You've got cooled seats, heated seats, along with heated steering wheel, which is very nice. So 55,000 miles on the clock. We'll just pop the bonnet and have a quick look. Oh, another nice feature. This one has deployable side steps, which I do think are good. I've voiced lots of opinions on side steps on this channel. Generally, I think the deployable ones are good when they're working, because I think that they don't ruin the lines of the Range Rover, whereas I feel like the fixed side steps just don't look right, either on an L322 or an L405, and I tend to delete them. All nice and tidy in there. Now, one of the other good features about the L405 compared to the L322, well, it may or may not be a good feature for you, I quite like it, is the electronic tailgate. So that bit pops up on the button, and then if you press that one, the tailgate pops down. We did also have to replace the actuator in there, so this has been stripped, actuator replaced, mechanisms lubricated, and it's all functioning as it should. Now, when you open that on the key, both upper and lower will open at the same time, but when you do it manually, each of them close individually. And when I say perfect spec in terms of the colour, that Loire Blue has got just such a beautiful fleck to it in the sunshine. I think that's a really pretty colour. Absolutely love it. So if you're interested in this L405 Range Rover, please get in touch. My contact details are on the screen. This one is nearly ready to go. The price and service history can be found in the video description below, along with in the comments.